This is a program that began in the year 2020. Generally, it is looking at bringing the Kenya coffee back to where it was in the 80s, when we used to harvest around 120,000 metric tons. Going by what the project has been able to do so far, one of the things we realized was that over time, farmers have been using the fertilizer which they call 17-17-17, that is NPK 17 and 17-17. And this is a fertilizer that has been used ever since I was young. When I was born in the 1960s, I found that fertilizer and it has been used. And coincidentally, we've continued using the fertilizer, but the production has been dwindling over the time. And so there must have been something with the fertilizer that we need to look at, and the project embarked on a soil analysis, and this was done by our institution, CRI, and soils from 8 counties, Machakos, Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Embu, Tharaka Nithi, and Meru, were analyzed, and we were able to invite fertilizer manufacturers who are based in the country. Basically, this is Meyer Fertilizer Company and Baraka Fertilizer Company. And together we looked at the analysis and the resource, the requirement of coffee, the types of soil, and we were able to propose new fertilizers for coffee. And these new fertilizers, I'm proud to say that they are being produced in the country, and they are labeled as coffee fertilizers.
And since then, my production has increased drastically. For example, in 2018, I produced 19-70 kgs. In 2019, I produced 21-20 kgs. In 2019, I produced 25-700 kgs. In last season 2021, I produced 27-800 kgs, and my total coffee bushes are 2180. So in other words, we have increased on production society wise and on payment rates.
So going forward, the project is going to bring up the other issues of the coffee modernization, and this we're expecting to roll out in June this year. And this required some bit of a preparation, much more than the fertilizer, but most of the societies now have been able to exactly do what we requested them to do, and we are just waiting for them to start getting funding from June so that we can acquire the modern facilities for primary processing.
In total, they are going to assist us with 9-point-something million. Now that amount will be used to modernize our factories. So we are intending, as per how the management committee they are telling us, their intention is to rehabilitate our factories by constructing new metallic drying tables. To enhance security, we are going to construct wash towers and install automatic remote control system. Again, they are going to tile all our fermentation tanks, and by doing so, we are going to improve the quality of our coffee.